Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name's D7 here at Grok Trades Weekend Edition. Good through November 11th, 2018, and the markets in the week bearish. Friday bearish territory. If you look here, all the way down. Anytime you get the major markets down more than 1%, that's significant. You have NASDAQ down 1.6%. You have Russell's 2000 down nearly 2%. Financials off almost a full percent. Look here, crude oil down 1%, but I think we're finding a bottom there. Silver down 1.8%. Gold down more than 1%. VIX increasing. We're at 17.4, so we're under 20. Bitcoin at 6,300, just normal for that, just basing sideways. Quick look here at the weekly chart on the S&P 500. Weekly chart. We have this big blue lines going up. We're in this nice up channel. We've been in this up channel forever, long time. Big channel, heading up. Now it's starting to get squirrely, rallies up, misses hitting either of these resistance points before it makes this nasty little drop, breaking a support area, coming down and hitting this support area perfectly. We are bouncing, so let's zoom in. We have a bearish divergence, so it didn't surprise us that we had this breakdown. I'm not going to put a buy on this yet. I could have did it last week with the hammer. But the problem is we had this major resistance line. I'm not going to do it because we went up and tested it, but buyers came right back down. These trend lines are rock solid. You learn how to draw these correctly, and they will make you and save you a lot of money in the markets. As much as I'd like to put a buy here last week or this week, I'm just not willing to do so. We're in the 20-day moving average and this major trend line because of this. And we have a divergence here. I'm just not, I think the odds are against it breaking through. I think the odds are it's going to drop. We're going to have a bearish week next week. However, I could certainly be wrong there. It's anybody's guess. Nobody knows what the future holds. Now, some of you guys think that I can call the future and I have this magic power. I don't. I'm just a technician and I know what probabilities are. Sometimes those probabilities line up, sometimes they do not. So hypothetically, if it's a 75% chance that it should go in one direction, there's a 25% chance that it won't. So some of you, like, you watch the videos like he's never right. Other people say he's always right. just being a technician, right? You got to learn these charts, and trading is all about odds. That's all it is. It's not about knowing what's going to happen next. It's about playing the markets like a business. Yeah. So anyway, let's go to the month or the daily charts here. Here's the S&P 500. I'm going to put a sell on this. Daily chart is going to get a sell now. You guys will notice I have buy and sells here. So I had a buy here, I had a sell here, a buy here, sell there, buy again, choppy. I put those on for public viewing. For your viewing pleasure, there it is. There they are. And I've been doing this a long time. And I do it for one purpose. That is not to tell you where you should be buying and where you should be selling, to show you the caliber of trader that I am by putting my calls out there for the public to see, for the purpose of you saying, whoa, I trust these guys. I want mentored by them because we are mentors. We're traders first, mentors second, and we mentor people. All right, so if we look here at the diamonds, that gets a big fat sell also. Your NASDAQ did not get a sell yesterday, but it's going to get one today. I could have put one on yesterday, but I didn't do it. Let's see, Russell's. Ooh, Russell's a nasty little drop. It gets a sell. Financials. Oh, do I want to sell that? That is a good one. That's a good one. MACD, histogram, boom. There's a lot I'm looking at on this one. Oh, let's take our profits. Sell. US dollar. I have a sell on it. No, buy, oh, and a sell. Oh boy, I should have put a buy on that yesterday. I did not. Where's my arrows? Have completely jumped off the page. Let's go to this one. So there is a buy now on the US dollar. Crude oil, boy, crude oil, this is preemptive, but I'm going to buy on that. So we had a sell up here around 1540, got a buy around 1270. 1270, looking for a dead cat bounce. Silver got a sell on it, but we're at major support. Oh, do I want to put a buy on that? And we have volume. I am going to put a buy on gold. Oh, that's silver rather. Let's see, gold. Oh boy, I'm not ready to put a buy on gold yet. We're dropping. I'm going to stay with my sell on gold. Silver. Shivers. I'm going to stay with my buy. Okay. VIX. I'm going to put a buy on the VIX. We have a sell on it. Now a buy. Whoops, get that on the right candlestick, or you guys will have my hide in the comment section. There it is. There it is. Quick look here at Bitcoin. Put a sell on it yesterday, and it did drop today. But we have a lot of support. That could be a buy very, very soon. That could be a buy very soon. Let's look at some stocks. We haven't done that in a while. Let's look at some stocks of interest. Let's do that. If you're watching this video in time, you could get in on this class, market maker class, Sunday night, 7:30 p.m. Eastern, 7:30. So it's 4:30 Pacific. But you can get in on that class. I'll be teaching it. Takes about 90 minutes to go through. It's a $300 class. I'm going to knock off $200. So you're going to get it for $97. That class right there. There's a trend line class that we did a couple weeks ago. You can get in on that. Hedging course to protect your money. You can get in on that too. So let's look at some stocks of interest. Go to groktrade.com. Groktrade.com is where you get those links. That's an important part that I forgot to share. Let's go here. Dow 30. Dow 30. Apple. Ooh, interesting. Got a sell on it. I'm going to stay with my sell. Oh boy, we're at a major area of support. Buyers coming in. I almost want to put a buy on that. I'm not going to. I think we have a chance of breaking down. I'm not going to. Let's see. AXP, got a buy on it. It's going up. That is going to get a sell from me. Now, we're going to sell that. So we're in at 104, out at 108, made 4 points. I'm happy to have it. Happy to have it. Boeing, this is a case in point of what I'm teaching on Sunday night. If you take the class Sunday night, I'm going to teach you how you would enter on this candlestick, and you would know why. It takes me 90 minutes to explain it, but once you know it, it's very simple. It's simple, simple, simple. This candlestick you'd get in on. So if you got in on this, let's say you got in at 350, you're at 370. That's 70 points already. And you'd still be in this trade. 20 points. You'd be in this 20 points in your favor. Here's another one you would have got in on. You would have got in on this one. You would got in at the worst case scenario, 345. And you would have sold it right here at 365. What'd I say? 45. So you're talking another 20 plus points. Another 20 points per share you would have got in on. These are called specialist behaviors. This one you would have got in on this one, not this one. This one, specialist behavior. And you would have got in at 330. Whoa, wouldn't even have sold it until 355. So 25 points there you would have made on this one. Anyway, this is Boeing. That's what I'm teaching. I'm teaching how we can see market makers. They tilt their cards. We can see what they're doing. I've been doing this for years. I took a sliver out of our mentoring, and I'm teaching it in an hour and a half long seminar. It's an online class. This is only the second time. I did one Thursday night. Everyone loved it. And I'm going to do it again Sunday. I mean, you can join us. Again, go to groktrade.com and you can do it. You can see the thing right above me, groktrade.com. But there it is, the market maker class. That's the one you want. It is highly powerful. And I'll tell you this, $97. If you don't see the value in a one-time fee to learn a strategy to make money over and over and over again for $97, you have no business trading in the markets. You do not understand it. You do not understand investing. Okay, let's go to Caterpillar and take a look at Caterpillar. Here we're up, 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 up. Ooh, I got to put a sell on it. Technically, I could have put a sell yesterday and I missed it. Should have been a sell yesterday. Whoa, Cisco gets a sell. So you can see we're in at 45. We're out at 47. So Cisco gets a sell. CVX had a sell on it. Ooh, but that might turn around being a buy again very soon. A buy very soon. Let's see, Disney that gets a sell. So we're in at 114. We're out at 118, 4 points. Nice. Dow DuPont. Do I want to sell this? You know what? I'm going to take profits. So we're in at 53, almost 54, out at 58, almost 59. So we got 5 points we made on that one. Very good. GE, I got to sell on it. Oh man. Oh, this is going to be a buy soon, guys. I'm telling you, I think I'm going to wait for confirmation, but that's a buy. Goldman Sachs had a nasty 4-point sell-off. Wow. Sell City had a buy here at 221.83, and this is 222. So I made 1 point. Horrible. I like to make more money than that. This gets a sell. This one we're at 176. This is Home Depot, 176. We're at 186, 10 points. Making some money, come on. IBM, we're in. I'm going to stay with my call on that. INTC, Intel, I got to buy. Wow, what a pretty pennant. Look at that. I'm going to sell that. Take our profits. We're in 44, out at 48. There's our 4 points. Johnson & Johnson, I got to buy on. I'm going to stay with my buy. Even though we almost have a tweezer top, that could be problematic. We're on 136. We're almost 140. We're almost 10 points in the money on that one. Very cool. JP Morgan, I got to buy on it. Wow. Oh, boy. I wish I had more time to analyze all the chart. I'm not going to sell that one yet. I am going to sell it. I'm going to take my profits. I don't want to give it up. 105, we're out at 111. Made some points there. Coca-Cola. Up, 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 and away. I'll stay with my trade on that one. McDonald's gets a sell because I don't think that would be a continuation doji. So we're in at 177, out at 185, 86 actually. Making some money. Triple M, oh, that gets a sell at resistance. So we're here in at 190, out at 210 points. Merck, have a buy on it here. Oh boy, I'm gonna go ahead and put a sell on it. So we're in at 70, out at 74, almost 75, 5 points. Microsoft down 2 points. That gets a sell. We're at a support level though. Boom. So we're in at 106, 107, out at 110, 3 points. Not much. Nike was off 2 points. Got a buy on it, but now it gets a sell. Nothing told me to sell it sooner than that. So there we are. 76. We're in at 74, 75, just over a point. PFE, got a buy on it. We're still in the money. Good. PG, Procter, got a buy on it. We're still going to be with that one. Very good. Travelers, have a buy on it, it gets a sell. It gets a sell. So we bought it. Worst case scenario, we're at 126, let's say, out at 131. So, dear geez, another 5 points. UNH. I have a buy on it. Had to sit through some. It rallied higher, but it's a. I'm gonna stay with that one. UTX. Got a buy on it. I'm gonna stay with that one. Visa. I'm gonna stay with my Visa play. Verizon. I'm gonna. Oh, dude. Wow. I'm gonna sell it. So we're in at 57, out at 58. We made a point. Okay. WBA. Okay. We're in at 73, and definitely selling this one for multiple reasons. Out at almost 83, 10 points, almost 9 points. Walmart, up, and away. Man, we're belong here. Boom. Off to the races. Exxon. Oh, I have a buy on it. I'm going to stay with my buy right now. I'm going to stay with my buy on that. Let's look at some tech stocks. Man, there's a lot of trades, guys, you can get off of these tech stocks. A lot of money. We already looked at Apple. AMD. So here's another market maker play right there. We would have got in on this candlestick. We would have got in at 17. We'd still be in at 21. Still be in at 21. Here. Would have got in it. Out here. These market maker plays, money makers. Amazon, we would have got in on this candlestick right there. We would have been in at 15.25. And do I want to sell this? I'm going to sell Amazon, guys. Actually, I should have sold it yesterday, but I didn't. So I sold it. We're in right here at 16.42 and out at 17.12. I can't do that in my head that quickly. Baba. Gotta buy. Ugh, I gotta put a sell on it now. So the choppiness is a killer. It is a killer. But check that. Baba. Right there. We would have entered with the market maker on this one. Boom. Sold there. So at 136, sold it. 146. I mean, 10 points in just a few days. Very, very cool. Baidu, got a sell on it. I'm good with that sell. Booking, which is Priceline. Ooh, it gets a sell. So we're going to book profits. 1836 to 1938. Cisco, got a sell on it as of today. We already looked at that. Catfish, ooh, gets a sell. Made a little bit of money. eBay, buy. I'll stay with my buy on that one. Facebook, off 2 points. Oh, technically yesterday should have been the sell. I was lazy yesterday. And Google, I got a buy on it. Okay, I'm gonna lose on this one. I put a buy on it, but I'm gonna put a sell. Same thing's gonna happen here. Yeah. So I took a loss on this one. So there's my loss for the world to see. GoPro, got a sell on it. I'm gonna stay with my sell. Microsoft, got a sell on it as of today. We already looked at it. MU, we're going to put a sell on that one. Let's take our profits. Making just a little bit, maybe a point. Netflix, off almost 5%. Are you kidding me? What a big drop. We're going to take a loss on this one too. We were in here, down there. Took a loss on Netflix. There's our second loss, guys. NVIDIA, oh, man, I almost want to buy that. Oracle. I got a long going up. PayPal off 2.5%. I'm going to stay with my long on this one. I'm good with that. Red Hat. Learn to draw those trend lines, man. If you draw those trend lines, you'll know why on PayPal. I'm going to go back to PayPal. Why I'm still in this one. Why I would not put a sell on it. If if you draw those trend lines correctly, you'll see. I mean, look at this. This is a professionally drawn trend line right here. It does not get better and more accurate than this. Boom, boom, boom. That is it. This is not subjective. It's highly objective. It's highly scientific, and it takes me over an hour to teach the trend line. So it takes me, an hour and a half too on that one. So you could definitely take that. It's also a $300 course. I knock off $200 using the code. You get it for $97. Okay, Red Hat. High base. I'll stay with it. Shopify is off 6%. Big fat red one right there. Boom. We are long at 138, 141, a couple points. Snap was off more than 3%. Let's take our profits on that one. Is there profits? There may not be profits on this. So 660. Yeah, we made 10 cents. Twitter. Got a buy on it way down here at 28 and some change. Oh, this one's making some money for us. Not too shabby, guys. Monologue time. I have nothing to talk about. I'm going to talk about something other than mentoring, which I normally do. I'm just passionate about that, but I'm going to talk about something other because we have mentorship going on this weekend, so you're too late for that. And that was for beginners. Our next mentorship's for somebody that's been trading over 3 years, and you can learn about that at the end of this video. But trading. It's a fun market. Trading. If I could give you any bit of advice as a trader, man, something's outside the office here making some noise. Is fear and greed, those emotions are the killer to traders. A lot of people don't understand that emotions is a very, very bad thing in trading. And the question is why? Why is emotions our Achilles heel? Why is that our weakness? Emotions drive bad decision making. Sometimes our love causes us to do some very stupid things. Sometimes our anger causes us to do some very stupid things. Sometimes fear causes us to not act rationally. Sometimes greed doesn't allow us to make rational decisions, pragmatic decision making. And, casinos, they have it dialed in. If you were to go to any one of the casino bars in one of the resorts, go belly up to the bar and order a drink, it's going to cost you an arm and a leg. If you were to go across the aisle and sit down at a slot machine, they're going to give you that same drink free of charge. They know that the drinks, it's a loss leader for them to get you to make bad decisions at their machines. Their machines have the odds stacked in their favor. The tables have the odds stacked in their favor. That odds, regardless if you're drinking or not, will eventually bleed you. However, if you drink, it will accelerate the bleeding. Are you following me? It's all about decision making. The decision making that we make has to have a foundation. So let's say you're sober-minded, you're cold-blooded, and you don't have an emotion in your body, okay? If you don't have a foundation of rule sets in a trading plan that you do on a consistent basis, then your decision making is already faulty. Okay, I'm getting geeky on you here. In trading, you have to make decisions. Your decisions have to be made without any sort of external influences, or in our case, intrinsic influences such as emotions. Those elements can cause us to make decisions that will cause your mentor or coach or friend to just shake their head and ask, ask what in the world were you thinking when you did that? But then we extrapolate that further. The decisions are only valid and merited if, in fact, they're based on something that is verified. That's a rule set that's verified, that's been tested and proven. The trading plan needs to be made up of those verified, tested, and proven rules. And you follow those to a T. You follow it blindly. You follow your trading plan closely. Average trader will never do that. The average trader will never put together a trading plan. The average trader will never, if they do, let's say you're not an average trader and you do have a trading plan. The odds that your trading plan is actually put together with rule sets that have been tested and tried and are proven to stack the odds in your favor are pretty slim. Furthermore, for anybody that's put together a trading plan, the chances are you don't follow it to a T. You follow it by your own thinking. Well, let's try this. I think this is what's going to happen next. And you start making decisions based off of an article you read, a video that you watched, a book idea. An idea came from a trading book. And you start bastardizing your trading system. It's funny. We can give 10 people a winning trading system, and 8 people will find a way to lose money at it. That is truth. Anyway, I hope you guys appreciate the time that Mark the Meerkat and me, do these videos. I was the first in 2004. I was the first to do trading videos anywhere in the world on a daily basis, on a regular basis. They got very, very popular in a site, and the site's still out there, called Trade to Win, trade2win.com. It's founded in England, and the owner of it, his name's Sharky, Paul, and we go way back since 2004. I mean, it's a long time ago. I started doing those trading videos, and the thread just got very, very popular. So if you look for D7 for free trading videos, you might be able to find it in there. And go back to 2004 and look at those videos. Those are some old time videos. Those are like, open up the time capsule. You'll see my videos from way back So anyway, that's it, man. If for those that's like, man, I'm kind of interested in this mentoring, you should be. I mean, that's what you need to be looking at. Listen up. This next message would be for you. Take care, guys. We'll see you later. Bye. Guys, last couple weeks, you've lost probably 8 to 10 times more in your portfolio than what an education from us would have cost you. Invest in yourself. There's no greater expense than being ignorant and what market tuition will cost you. Do yourself a favor, look us up for mentoring. It's 3 days. We have one coming up. Go to Grok Trade. There's top of Grok Trade. I'm not even going to show you the website. Go to groktrade.com. At the top, there's a button there for hedging. You can take the hedging course. That to help you during this time, so you don't get your head handed to you. But if you want to make money in this volatility, if you're just don't want your head handed to you, then mentoring. I'm not here peddling it to you, but what just irks me to no end is individuals who think that autodidacticism, that's trying to learn something themselves, is the smart way to go. And they think that learning to trade is something that you can get yourself. I'm telling you, I thought I blew through 2 accounts until one day I woke up and thought, I can't do it myself. Don't let that be you. Don't let your money dry up. Don't lose money in the markets. Learn to be savvy. Kill it out there. Be a shark. Don't be bait fish. Be the person out there that's the smart one, that has a system in place. Trading is significant. It can be the best thing that's ever happened to you and your family. Or it could be one of the heartaches, one of the broken dreams of your tomorrow. But I'll pose this one question to you. If you go through our trading mentorship, if you're like, man, I'm in, I don't care what it costs because I'd rather put my money, invest it into education than lose it in the markets. If that is you, ask yourself, after you go, we give you all the tips, all the tricks, we give you everything. We pull out the stops for you and give you everything to reach your full potential in trading. We give it all to you. From this date, 1 year from now, where will you be? How will your life, how will it have changed? That question will tell you everything you need to know. GrokTrade.com. Check us out. Catch you guys later. We'll see ya.